Have you ever placed an online order and then changed your mind? Maybe you ordered something you don't need anymore, but you don't know how to cancel it in English.
Don't worry. In this conversation, you'll learn simple and useful phrases for canceling an online order.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak With Us. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're going to practice a very common online shopping situation.
Hi. I'd like some help with an order I placed online.
Of course. I'd be happy to help. What would you like to do with your order?
I'd like to cancel my order, please.
No problem. I'll check the order status for you.
Thank you. I placed the order yesterday, but I don't need the item anymore.
I understand. Do you have your order confirmation?
Yes, I do. I have it right here.
Great. Could you provide your order number, please?
Sure. It's on the confirmation email.
Perfect. Let me look up the order.
Okay. I hope it's not too late to cancel it.
Let me check that for you. Your order is still being processed.
That's good news. Does that mean I can still cancel it?
It looks like cancellation may still be possible.
That's a relief.
Before I cancel it, may I ask why you'd like to cancel the order?
Sure. I originally thought I needed the item, but I found out that I already have something similar at home.
I understand. That happens sometimes.
Exactly. I realized it shortly after placing the order.
That's completely understandable. Since the order hasn't shipped yet, I'll check whether I can cancel it for you.
Thank you. I'd really appreciate that.
You're welcome. Give me a moment while I check the cancellation options.
Sure. I'll wait.
Good news. I can see that your order hasn't been shipped yet.
That's great. So, can you cancel it for me?
Yes. I can submit the cancellation request right now.
Perfect. I'd really like to cancel it before it ships.
I'll take care of that for you. Before I continue, I'd like to confirm a few details.
Sure.
Is the order under your account?
Yes, it is.
And is this the item you'd like to cancel?
Yes, that's the one.
All right. I've submitted the cancellation request.
Does that mean the order is canceled now?
The request has been submitted, but I need to wait for the system to confirm the cancellation.
I see. How long will that take?
It usually happens within a few minutes.
Okay. Will I receive a confirmation email?
Yes. You'll receive an email once the cancellation is confirmed.
That's good. I just want to make sure I don't receive the package.
I understand. If the cancellation is confirmed before the order ships, the package won't be sent.
Great. What happens if it ships before the cancellation is completed?
If that happens, you may need to return the package after it arrives.
I understand. And would I still get my money back?
Yes. If the order is successfully canceled, your payment will be refunded according to the refund process.
How long does the refund usually take?
It can take a few business days after the cancellation is completed.
Okay, that's not a problem.
Do you have any other questions about the cancellation?
Yes. Is there anything I need to do from my side?
No. For now, just wait for the confirmation email.
All right. I'll keep checking my email.
That's a good idea.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're very welcome. I'll make sure your cancellation request is properly processed. While we're waiting for the confirmation, there's something else you should know.
Sure.
If you place another order in the future and change your mind, it's always a good idea to cancel it as soon as possible.
Why is that?
Because once an order has been shipped, it may no longer be possible to cancel it directly.
That makes sense. So I should check the order status first?
Exactly. You can usually find the order status in your account.
What should I look for?
Look for words like processing, shipped, or delivered.
I see. And if it says processing, I may still be able to cancel it?
That's right. It depends on the store, but there's often a better chance of canceling an order before it ships.
That's really useful to know.
You can also contact customer service if you're not sure.
What should I say when I contact them?
You can simply say, "I'd like to cancel my order, please."
That's easy.
If they ask why, you can say, "I no longer need the item."
Or I could say, I changed my mind about the purchase.
Exactly.
What if I want to know whether my cancellation was successful?
You can ask, "Has my order been canceled?"
And if I want confirmation?
You can say, "Could you send me a confirmation email, please?"
Those phrases are really helpful.
They're simple, but they're very useful in real conversations.
I think sometimes I make English more difficult than it needs to be.
A lot of learners do that. You don't need complicated vocabulary to explain a simple problem.
That's reassuring. I just need to explain what happened and clearly say what I want.
Exactly. Be polite, speak clearly, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
I like that advice.
Actually, I just received an update.
Really?
Yes, your cancellation request has been approved.
That's fantastic. So the order won't be shipped?
Correct. The order has been canceled successfully.
That's such a relief.
You'll receive a confirmation email shortly.
And my payment will be refunded?
Yes, the refund will be sent back through the original payment method.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome.
You've made this whole process much easier.
I'm really glad we were able to cancel the order.
I'm happy I could help.
I have one last question.
Of course.
How will I know when my refund has been completed?
You'll receive a confirmation email when the refund is processed.
And I can check my account too.
Yes. You can sign into your account and check the order history.
That's helpful. I'll keep an eye on both.
Good idea.
What if I don't see the refund after a few business days?
If that happens, you can contact customer service again. Just give them your order details and explain that you're still waiting for the refund.
So I could say, I haven't received my refund yet.
Exactly.
And then ask, could you check the status for me?
Perfect.
I feel much more comfortable handling this kind of situation now.
That's great to hear.
Let's quickly review some useful expressions.
I'd like to cancel my order, please.
I no longer need the item.
Has my order been canceled?
Could you send me a confirmation email, please?
How long will the refund take?
I haven't received my refund yet.
Could you check the status for me?
These phrases are simple and easy to remember.
And you can use them in many online shopping situations.
The most important thing is to speak clearly and politely.
Exactly. You don't have to use difficult words.
You just need to explain your situation and say what you need.
That's right.
Thanks for learning with us today.
We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident when dealing with online orders.
Keep practicing these expressions. The more you practice, the easier real conversations become.
Thanks for spending time with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to speak with us.
We'll see you in our next real-life English conversation.
Keep practicing and keep speaking.
Have a great day.
Goodbye.